First ride on Falago, sizing each other up. She's seeing what he knows. He's seeing what she might know.
You're doing good, big man.
Looks kind of like a Paso gate.
Yeah. Said the other type has more pathway than this.
Mm-hmm.
You see how his nose is tipped out?
Yep.
I even saw that during lunging. You know, this is his heavier side.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, and he's got that thick neck.
So a bit with more of a shank will help her get more leverage. You know, if she has no leverage, I'm pulling directly on his mouth.
Mm-hmm.
So however much this chunky butt weighs, when he says no, I'm pulling against his whole body.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jesus, they're fine. He's like, you know, Wendy. No. It's like, step up, work.
I think where you see his gait is at a real slow jog, I guess you'd say.
Yeah.
But I don't really see it. Definitely, he's got like a Paso body.